Hey guys, welcome to Fluency Day 2 for our story, Perpetual Motion Machine. And I hope you've already listened or read along and heard our play this week. It's a play or a reader's theater for Perpetual Motion Machine. So we're going to go through all the first 5 amazing words today, and then the next 5 amazing words tomorrow, and then you'll have an amazing words quiz on Thursday. So you need to make sure that you're taking some good notes. So if I'd pause the video right here and get me a sheet of paper so I can take a couple quick notes, do good on that quiz, okay? Our first word we're going to cover is science words. I love it. Is experiment. Experiment, a scientific procedure undertaken to make a discovery, to test a hypothesis, or demonstrate a known fact. My sentence is, I tested my claim with an experiment to see what evidence I could find. So what experiments have we done so far in science this year? Oh, we did some scientific sketching. We did the runaway pepper experiment. We did some bread experiments. We grew some mold. We've done a bunch of virtual experiments, haven't we? So when we do an experiment, we have an idea of how we think it should turn out, and then we're just testing it. And so that's what we're doing in an experiment. We are testing a hypothesis or making sure that something that's known is true. So I tested my claim with an experiment. The next word is theory. A theory is an explanation based on observation and reasoning. It is my theory that people feel better after helping others. Well, how can you prove a theory? Well, the trouble is you can't prove a theory. You can prove in an experiment, but you can't prove a theory. One of the most famous theories that I can think of in science is the theory of, it's called the Big Bang Theory, how everything in the universe got started and started spinning. And there's really no way to prove it. Think about it. Can you prove that people feel better after they help others? Well, you might know about yourself, but you can't speak for other people, right? So a theory is an explanation based on observation and reasoning, and it's very hard to prove. Suggested. When you suggest something, you propose an idea. She suggested going swimming, and we all agreed it was a good idea. What would you do if you were offered a bad suggestion? Especially, this is Red Ribbon. Last week was Red Ribbon Week, right? And we talked about how important it is to say no to drugs. What if you were offered a chance to smoke or do drugs? Definitely, you could turn it down. And there are bunches of different ways to turn it down. But if someone suggests something that's a bad suggestion, you have every right to say no and walk away. To suggest is to propose an idea. Not all good ideas are good ideas, are they? You got to decide what are the good ideas and what are the bad ideas and what is the best for you. Device. A device is a technological tool or item that's used to assist. My phone is a device I use to find my way around in new places, like GPS, right? Can you think of other devices? Well, computers are devices. Cell phones are devices, tablets are devices, and those are just the technological ones. But we can even go old school and think about things like a compass is a device. It has no technological parts. It runs on magnetic power, but it's still a device, right? Is a pencil a device? Is it an item that's used to assist? And it certainly assists me when I write. So maybe even a pencil can be considered a device. What devices help people with disabilities? Oh, that's a good one. A wheelchair is a good one. A cane helps people. And even prosthetic legs and arms can be devices that help people with disabilities. How about glasses? Are glasses a device that help people with disabilities? They sure are. A device is an item that can be used to assist. Do glasses assist people to see? They sure do. They help them. They assist. The word is device. My last word today is vehicle. A vehicle is a device for carrying people and items from place to place. A ship is a kind of ocean vehicle, moving items or people from place to place. So what kind of vehicle carries people through the air? That's right. If you said airplane, in my picture, I have two vehicles. The vehicle everybody thinks of when they hear the word vehicle, like a car or a truck. And then I have an airplane, which people don't usually think about as a vehicle, but it is. Because a vehicle is very simply a device for carrying people or items from place to place. All right, guys. I hope you took good notes and you can remember these good things. We're going to go over the next 5 words tomorrow in Fluency, and then your test is on Thursday. Good luck to you, learners. Talk to you later.